Hello friends, welcome to Internet. In this tutorial, we will be learning about the options like bookmark, favorites and history. If you open any website often, then you may want to add it in your bookmarks or in favorites. On the web page, you will find the option for favorites. When you click on it, here you will find the favorites. When you click on the favorites bar, you will find the website that you have opened often. Next is history. For that, select the favorites option on the web page. When you click on the history, you will find the information about days. Like here you have the history about 3 weeks ago. Here the history is available about 2 weeks ago. Here about last week. Here is the history about all the days that you have worked in it. If you can't see history option in favorites, for that go to the tools option in the right corner of the web page. Here you will find the explorer bars. When you click on it, here you will find the history option. You can also open the history by press the key Ctrl plus Shift plus H and you can see the all history. This was the learning about important features of web page. Thank you.